Good morning, students. Welcome back to SS online classes. And in my last lecture, I explained to you about transport across plasma membrane. And in that reference, I explained to you about passive transport. That passive transport it occurs by two different ways. That is by diffusion and by osmosis. And one more property of passive transport is that this transport does not require any energy. So there is no requirement of energy in case of passive transport. Today we will discuss about the second type of transport, that is active transport, and it is known as active transport because here expenditure of energy is needed. So this transport, active transport occurs by expense of energy, and you know the biological energy or the energy on which biological system works, that energy is called ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. It is known as biological energy currency. Now students, active transport it further occurs by two different mediums. One is known as through permeases and the second one is through sodium and potassium pumps. So these are the two medium or means through which active transport occurs, that is through permeases and second one through sodium and potassium pumps. Now students, what is meaning of permeases? Permeases are a special class of proteins, and these proteins are modified in form of enzymes. Now, in my previous lecture, when I taught you about fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane, there I explained you that proteins are there, extrinsic and intrinsic protein, or you have studied about peripheral and integral proteins. So the peripheral proteins which occur on the periphery of the plasma membrane, occurs on the outer and inner surface of plasma membrane, they only act as permeases. Permeases are class of enzymes, and these enzymes are made up of peripheral proteins. Now suppose students, these are the materials, or we can call it as substrate. This is any substrate, and this substrate has to be transported. This is any substrate, and this substrate I have shown you here, it has to be transported from outside, from external medium inside the cell. Then here I have shown you the peripheral protein, and these peripheral proteins, they react with ATP. On reaction with ATP, they modified into permeases, and here these activated permeases, they will combine with substrate. So here what will happen? A substrate enzyme complex will be formed. Substrate enzyme complex will be formed here. These are peripheral proteins, these are substrates. Now on reaction with ATP, they are modified into permeases, and now substrate and this enzyme, means these are permeases are enzymes made up of peripheral proteins. Now on reaction, an enzyme substrate complex is formed here, like this. Here you can see, this is the substrate, it is combining with the permeases. Now, since they are activated with the help of ATP, these permeases they cross the plasma membrane and they come from outside towards inside, like this. And again here, the substrate is released. Here, the combined substrate, the substrate which has combined with permeases, they have crossed plasma membrane on expense of ATP energy, and here the substrate is released. This is the substrate. Substrate is released. So in this manner, transport of materials or substrates having heavy molecular mass which cannot cross plasma membrane by their own, so they are transported from external surrounding inside the cell by means of a special class of enzymes known as permeases, and these permeases they are made up of peripheral proteins because enzymes they are proteinous in nature. So here you can see substrate enzyme complex is formed here. Substrate enzyme complex. Enzyme complex is formed. So in this manner, transport of materials occur by active transport through permeases. Once again, you can recall it, or I am reminding you that active transport is a type of transport which occurs on expenditure of energy, and it occurs through two different modes, and these two different modes are through permeases, and permeases are special class of enzymes, and these special class of enzymes they are made up of peripheral proteins. Suppose any substrate has to be transported from external medium to internal medium or from internal medium to external medium. So these peripheral proteins or permeases they react with ATP, adenosine triphosphate energy, and a substrate enzyme complex is formed. Now this enzyme it will cross plasma membrane, means they are so active, they become so active on reaction with ATP that they have high energy level and they will cross the plasma membrane from outside towards inside. They will release the substrate and materials are transferred. In the same way, if any substrate has to be transported from inside towards outside medium, the same reaction will be repeated. So in this manner, active transport occurs through permeases. Now the second one, that is through sodium and potassium pumps, I will explain it tomorrow. Thank you. Good.